Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I want to share one of the most popular souvenir sweets which you can buy at Tokyo Station. Tokyo Railway Station is the biggest train hub in the city and is the main Shinkansen bullet train terminal. So the sweet's called Tokyo Banana. Just to give you some background of souvenir traditions in Japan, so we Japanese buy souvenirs when we visit someone's home or when we go back to our hometown. Souvenirs can be sweets or cookies or chocolates, and mostly foods, I think, because we can share. So people often buy souvenirs at a Tokyo station before jump onto bullet train and go back to hometown or at airport. This train terminal directly connects Tokyo to numerous destinations around the region. So in Tokyo Station, you can find a variety of souvenir sweets, often packed in a very nice box, and this is the one I want to share with you. So let's open this Tokyo Banana, the nice box. In a box, there are 8 pieces of banana-shaped cakes. Each pieces are packed in individual package. Let me open one package. Once you touch the sponge cake, it's surprisingly soft and fluffy. Here's a look at the filling inside. It is filled with banana custard cream that uses strained banana puree. Now I'm going to give it a try. It smells like a real banana. The outer layer of sponge cake is very soft and moist. The custard cream is quite thick and has mild sweetness from real strained bananas. It has really rich banana taste. What I like about it is the combination of a fluffy sponge cake and creamy custard cream inside. I think you will like it too. Where can we buy? Tokyo Banana holds shops at major airports in Japan, terminal stations like Ueno, Shinagawa, and Tokyo. When you visit Tokyo, don't forget to try this out and buy it as a souvenir of Tokyo. On this channel, I share authentic Japanese home cooking, Japanese sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you love all things Japanese and wants to learn about our local foods in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV and see you in my next video. Bye bye!